Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for all things home design. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, the modern organic farmhouse color palette. If you've been dreaming of a home that feels warm, grounded, rooted in nature, and effortlessly stylish all at once, this video is made just for you. Before we get started, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a design moment. And if you love what you see today, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite color from this palette. I read every single one. Now, let's get into it. Think of this palette as nature's own mood board. The modern organic farmhouse color story is built on a foundation of warm whites, soft creamy tones, sun-baked taupes, earthy clay, sage green, weathered driftwood gray, and touches of warm terracotta. Unlike the stark, cool-toned farmhouse of a decade ago, this updated version leans into warmth and texture. Every color feels like it was pulled straight from a summer meadow, a dusty barn, or a sunlit wheat field. The result? A home that breathes, relaxes, and wraps you in comfort the moment you walk through the door. Your home's exterior is the first sentence of its story, so let's make it a beautiful one. For a modern organic farmhouse facade, start with a warm white or creamy linen base coat. Think Benjamin Moore's White Dove or Sherwin-Williams Alabaster. Pair that with board and batten siding for that signature farmhouse texture. Add shutters in deep sage green or charcoal to ground the look. A terracotta or stone gray front door becomes your focal point, bold yet earthy. Finish with natural wood accents on the porch beams, black iron lantern fixtures, and low-growing lavender or ornamental grasses along the path. Stunning, simple, and so intentional. The entryway sets the emotional tone for your entire home, and in the modern organic farmhouse style, that tone is calm, collected, and welcoming. Start with a shiplap wall painted in warm white as your backdrop. Mount a rustic wooden coat rack with black iron hooks, perfect for hanging linen jackets, straw hats, and woven tote bags. Below, a slim shoe cabinet in natural oak keeps things tidy without visual clutter. Add a cushioned bench in oatmeal boucle fabric for easy shoe changes. A round vintage-style mirror with a thin wood frame reflects light beautifully. Finish with a jute mat at the door and a small terracotta pot with dried botanicals. Pure farmhouse magic, right from step one. Your living room is where the palette truly sings. Anchor the space with a sofa in warm greige or oatmeal linen. Oversized, sink-in comfortable, and layered with textured throw pillows in sage, rust, and cream. The walls? A soft warm white like Sherwin-Williams Shoji white lets your natural elements shine. Bring in a live-edge coffee table or a reclaimed wood piece with hairpin legs for that modern organic tension we love. A chunky knit throw draped over the arm, a vintage-style ceramic table lamp, and a woven rattan side chair complete the look. Layer your area rug, jute underneath, a soft washable cotton rug on top. The result is layered, lived in, and absolutely gorgeous. There's something so beautiful about a farmhouse dining room that invites everyone to slow down and stay a while. Choose a long, solid wood dining table, raw oak or walnut with visible grain, as your anchor piece. Pair it with a mix of seating, upholstered dining chairs in cream boucle at the ends, and simple wooden benches along the sides. Overhead, hang a statement rattan pendant light or a cluster of Edison bulb fixtures for warm, golden ambience. For table decor, think linen table runners, dried wheat bundles in a terracotta vase, mismatched ceramic candle holders, and a small wooden tray with seasonal fruits. It's effortless, organic beauty at its finest. The modern organic farmhouse kitchen is equal parts functional and beautiful. Paint your upper cabinets in crisp, warm white and ground the lower ones in a muted sage green or dusty navy. This two-tone approach adds depth without feeling heavy. Choose a farmhouse apron front sink in white porcelain, and top your counters with honed Calacatta marble or a budget-friendly quartz alternative. Your refrigerator works best in matte stainless or panel ready to blend seamlessly. A matte black range or a vintage-inspired cream stove becomes the kitchen's personality piece. Tuck a small, stylish coffee machine in brushed gold or matte black on an open wooden shelf beside ceramic mugs and a little potted herb garden. Coffee corner goals, truly. This room is all about comfort and connection. Build your family room around a gallery wall with a flat-screen TV mounted at eye level. Frame it with floating wooden shelves displaying ceramic vessels, trailing pothose plants, and a few well-chosen books. Choose a U-shaped sectional in warm taupe or a deep sage velvet for maximum cozy factor. A large woven jute rug anchors the seating area, while a reclaimed wood console table beneath the TV adds rustic warmth. Soft lighting from floor lamps with linen shades keeps the mood relaxed in the evenings. Add a vintage wooden blanket ladder in the corner, draped with chunky knit throws. This space should make everyone want to stay forever, and it will. Modern farmhouse living means making every square foot count beautifully. Design a multifunctional nook with a slim, character-rich desk. Think a raw wood slab on simple black iron legs, or a vintage writing bureau painted in warm cream. On the desktop, add a small vintage-style desk clock or a unique brass hourglass piece that feels collected and personal. A compact wooden bookshelf radio in warm amber wood tones adds personality and keeps the space from feeling too corporate. In the adjacent reading nook, build in a window seat with a thick cushion in a nature-inspired fabric, flanked by built-in shelves. Layer with a knit throw, a floor lamp, and a stack of your favorite design books. This is your sanctuary within a sanctuary. Your bedroom should feel like stepping into a 5-star countryside retreat. Start with a linen platform bed frame in warm natural wood or a woven rattan headboard. Both are quintessentially organic and modern at once. Dress your bed in a layered palette of warm white, oat, and soft sage linen bedding. An earthy clay-toned throw folded at the foot adds a summer warmth that's irresistible. Bedside tables in turn-leg wood hold ceramic lamps with linen drum shades. Paint your walls in a barely there warm grayish like Benjamin Moore pale oak for that dreamy, barely there color effect. Add a simple woven pendant above each bedside for intimacy, and a potted fiddle leaf fig or olive tree in the corner to bring that organic element indoors. A modern organic farmhouse bathroom balances spa serenity with rustic warmth. For the shower area, choose large format warm white or creamy stone look tiles, grout in warm gray, and a matte black rain shower head for a subtle modern contrast. On your vanity, a vessel sink in matte white ceramic sits beautifully on a floating oak shelf, your waist-to-fell moment, simple and stunning. Choose a round brass or black iron mirror above, and mount a reclaimed wood shelf beside it to hold rolled linen towels, a small ceramic soap dispenser, and a sprig of dried eucalyptus. Warm terracotta floor tiles add color underfoot. This bathroom isn't just functional, it's a daily ritual you'll look forward to every morning. Who says garages can't be beautiful? The modern organic farmhouse garage deserves as much design intention as the rest of your home. Paint the garage doors in a warm charcoal or deep forest green to complement your exterior palette. This single change is transformational. Add board and batten detail to the garage exterior walls to create visual continuity with your home's facade. Inside, install pegboard walls in warm white for organized tool storage, paired with wooden floating shelves for bins and baskets. A vintage metal sign, a potted olive tree flanking the entrance, and a simple black iron lantern overhead turn a utilitarian space into something genuinely charming. Even the garage deserves the farmhouse glow-up. Your farmhouse patio is your summer living room, and it deserves to feel just as intentional as the spaces inside. Start with large format natural stone or warm concrete pavers as your base. Define the seating area with an outdoor jute look rug and a deep-seated teak or eucalyptus wood lounge set dressed in sage green and cream outdoor cushions. String Edison globe lights overhead, across a simple wooden pergola draped with trailing potholes or wisteria for that golden summer evening magic. A weathered wood dining table for outdoor meals, a terracotta fire bowl for cooler nights, and potted lavender, rosemary, and lemon trees surrounding the perimeter complete the scene. This patio is where summer memories are made. Building a cohesive color palette doesn't have to be intimidating. Here's how to do it with confidence. Start with your anchor neutral, a warm white or creamy linen for walls and large furniture. Then choose one nature-inspired accent color, sage green, dusty terracotta, or warm taupe, and repeat it in 3 to 4 places throughout the room for cohesion. Layer in your natural textures: wood, wrought tan, linen, jute, and ceramic. These materials carry color and warmth even without paint. Pull samples in your actual space before committing, because natural light changes everything. And remember, restraint is elegance. In this palette, less is always more, and every choice should feel purposeful and calm. The furniture you choose tells the story of your palette. In the modern organic farmhouse world, look for pieces with natural wood grain, visible craftsmanship, and organic shapes. Nothing too rigid or perfectly symmetrical. Raw oak, reclaimed pine, wrought tan, and light walnut all live beautifully in this style. Upholstery should be in natural fabrics: linen, cotton canvas, boucle, or performance velvet in muted, earthy tones. Avoid overly ornate detailing, ultra-glossy finishes, or furniture that reads as purely industrial. Black iron hardware and fixtures are your best friend. They add a modern edge without disrupting the warmth. When in doubt, ask yourself, does this feel like it grew somewhere? If yes, it probably belongs. Accessories are where your personality gets to speak. In the modern organic farmhouse style, think of every decorative object as something that was found, treasured, or handmade. Ceramic vases in matte earth tones, dried botanicals and pampas grass, beeswax pillar candles, hand-thrown pottery bowls, and vintage wooden dough bowls are all signature pieces. Cluster accessories in odd numbers on trays or wooden boards. This is called vignette styling, and it makes even a simple shelf look curated and intentional. Introduce seasonal summer touches with fresh herbs in terracotta pots, lemon branches in clear glass vases, or a linen table runner in a soft stripe. Small details, enormous impact. Lighting is your palette's best supporting actor. For the modern organic farmhouse, choose fixtures that feel warm, natural, and a little bit storied. Wrought tan pendants, aged brass chandeliers, exposed bulb fixtures, and linen-shaded floor lamps all contribute to that layered, golden hour glow. Layer your lighting in every room: overhead for function, table lamps for ambience, and candles for intimacy. In summer, lean into natural light as much as possible. Use linen or sheer cotton curtains that filter without blocking. Warm-toned LED bulbs in the 2,700K to 3,000K range are your best choice for achieving that honeyed, cozy farmhouse warmth even on overcast days. One of the best things about the modern organic farmhouse palette is how effortlessly it transitions through the seasons. For summer, it's all about lightening up and bringing the outdoors in. Swap out your heavier winter throws for lightweight linen blankets. Refresh your entryway with a new woven mat and a terracotta pot of fresh lavender. Add a bowl of lemons or fresh figs to your kitchen counter or dining table. Change your throw pillow covers to pale sage, soft coral, or warm cream. Move potted plants closer to windows and add fresh-cut herbs throughout the home. These small, low-cost swaps keep your home feeling alive, current, and seasonally relevant without touching a single wall. Even the most beautiful palette can miss the mark with a few common missteps. First, avoid going too cool-toned. This modern organic style lives in warmth, so gray whites and blue whites will feel disconnected. Second, don't over-theme. You don't need mason jars on every surface and a rooster in every corner to read as farmhouse. Restraint and curation are key. Third, mixing too many competing textures without a unifying color can feel chaotic rather than layered. Stick to your chosen palette and repeat your textures intentionally. And finally, don't neglect scale. Large rooms need large anchor pieces. Small rooms need breathing room. Trust the palette, trust the process, and trust your instincts. And there you have it, your complete guide to the modern organic farmhouse color palette, from your curb appeal-worthy front facade all the way through to your sun-soaked summer patio. This palette is more than just a collection of colors. It's a lifestyle. It's choosing warmth over sterility, texture over flatness, and intention over trend. Whether you're doing a full renovation or simply refreshing a single room with new accessories, these principles will always guide you toward a home that feels genuinely beautiful and deeply personal. Your home should tell your story, and with this palette, it's going to tell a really good one. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's redecorating, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating, friend.